It is all falling apart.
So, do you have any suggestions for them?
No, let it fall apart.
And
Let it
then what
turn into rubble and ash.
if it falls apart? What will you do then?
Then we'll construct it brick by brick. But till then, I'll wait to see what happens of it.
So, you were saying something?
Remind me again.
You were about to say something about Pendejo and Muchachito.
Pendejo is a man of no taste, and Muchachito's
So
taste is
you had just requested something
yes.
about to Pendejo, but Pendejo declined that. Would you say something on that?
There is nothing to talk about that.
What was the request all about?
I requested him that I should probably give him company to the market so that I can also visit and see the market. I can relive my old moments when I used to go with him to the market. We used to eat something, but then he very respectfully declined, saying that फिर चलेंगे. So the child in me became the adult again.
So did it break your heart? Has your heart fallen apart? Or let me come complete. Or has your heart has broken into small pieces?
It has neither fallen apart nor broken into hypothetical metaphorical pieces. It is in one piece, beating, doing what it does best.
So since when have you been saying pendejo? How many years has it been?
15, 20 years.
Since how long? I asked. Since which year?
I could jog back my memory up to 2000, 2001, 2.
And before that?
I was very small, 5, 6 years. The last memory that I could be reminded of is of 2002. So I'm calling Pendevo
Where has he gone?
to the local market, Gola.
And to buy what? Did he tell you?
Grocery items, vegetables, fruits.
You have been watching him carrying that small bag since
Yes.
how long? Since
I
when?
have never seen father shopping in village. Okay, or buying vegetables in village, but I have always found that this work was inadvertently delegated to Mr.
Do you
Munafia
find
Kumar.
him inherently funny?
He could be with
But does he know that?
I hope so.
How could you expect something from a kid?
In fact, I could expect this from a kid only.
I think your expectation is beyond.
So this detachment is happening as of now because this is what happened with Bhitandi.
You had told him something to do and he denied it. Answer this on the terrace, but let me ask this question from you. Do you think Pendejo is in cahoots with this?
Yes. बोलो हेलो बोलो हेलो हेलो आयुष आयुष तो अभी कुछ नहीं कर रहे तो क्या कर रहे थे आप वीडियो देख रहे थे आप जानते हैं आपका नाम मूचा चीचो है
Boy, go back to your mummy. She is calling you. Pendejo,
यस
you are being recorded.
यस
Answer the question.
आस्क
I have already asked.
एग्रीकल्चरल आइडेंटिटी बट दैट इज
Why do you think? Why do you think that? Because
I'm
Nitish
happy.
Kumar has lost his shit.
नहीं आई एम हैप्पी फॉर पीपल एवरीबॉडी
Hey, would you answer the question or not? Tell me.
What?
Is he in cahoots with those
Yes.
people?
certainly
What kind of cahootness is he showing?
this cahootness is related to the intent of capturing the joint Hindu family resources.
But why do you think he is doing such a thing?
God knows. And the man himself. अब